I got my 1994 F250, and the motor that drives the window up and down is starting to like freak out, and then it wouldn't go back up. And I had to like help it up as I was pushing the button. Unplug the plug. Looks like it's a 8mm bolts. What? Well, shit. They sent me the wrong one. I ordered the passenger side. And I need one that faces like this with the gear on this side. They sent me the wrong one. Dang it. I don't think I can return that because it's out of the package. Suckers. Well, it's got to come out anyway, so take it out. This looks really difficult. Really tight spot here. Y'all gotta look at that. So there's one bolt. There's the other one. And the third one is down right at the tip of my finger, the darkness down there. There you go. So that is it. That one, this one, and that one. Those need to come out. And this is like super tight area. I mean, can get to them, but barely. Well, it sure seems like they sent me the wrong one. Unless the gear is on the other side. Unless it is the right one. I'll send you guys in there to look for me because I can't. Nope, they sent me the wrong one. I gotta order a new motor. Dang it. Alright, well, to be continued. Alright, so I went down to my local Harbor Freight and got a kit, hole saw kit. It was actually like $40, but it's got sizes from 3/4 up to 3/4, 7/8, 1 inch, 1 1/8, and 1 1/2. I just need it to be big enough to get a socket through, an 8mm socket through there. So, see that? Alright, well, stupid camera shut off, but I made some new washers. So I got a hole here and a hole here to get to them bolts that you can't get to. So it actually worked really well. So now, give me some light here. Right on the dimples that were there. Now I can get in there with the 8mm socket and pull them out. I got my little 8mm. That's what I didn't want to do. Oh, I have to fish that out. All right, so I got this out, and there was like a Phillips screw holding this on, and on the back, like right there, it was like bent over to hold it on there and right here. You can see it's kind of bent in right here. Let's hold on there. But anyway, I got it off and looked inside. I don't know if you could see that. Oof. Let me change it. Alright, so on this side, you can see it's got some slop, right? Inside there, this hole right here, there's a cam that this gear right here drives the cam. It drives this white piece, spins the white piece. Well, it's geared, so it's not going to spin. It spins the white piece, and then that spins the cam. But you can see that point right there is all bent up. So with enough force, it'll skip. And that's what was happening. It wasn't rolling my window up anymore. It's on the 3 points. There's one right there, and on this point too. So this is wore out. Now they don't. I mean, I guess I could take apart the other one just to get to this, but I don't know if it's right, the same style, because this is old. You can see the old grease that was in here is all dried. So my new one is the wrong way. So my new one is the wrong way. Yeah. I mean, maybe I could. So, yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna play with maybe it, see what happens. I'm gonna need to put it this way so that these bolts holes will line up. These bolt holes will line up. So it's gonna be, when I press the button to go down, it's gonna make it go up. And I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna switch these, switch the orange and the red, or the orange or red and the blue. I'm gonna switch the blue and the red. That's what this kit is for. I got this a while back, and it's like for door panels and all that stuff. Got this whole kit. I'm just going to use these though. One of these will be able to push those pins out. You know, it's pretty much if you had some small needle nose, you could have squeezed the very center and pulled both of them out. But I got it switched, and in theory it should work correctly now with the switch. So now I'm going to put it in. And try it out. So this new one, these holes aren't threaded. So I'm gonna run these bolts through there one time. They're plastic on the inside, so I'm gonna run these bolts through one time to get the threads, and then I'll try putting it in. All right, so the bolt is a 5/16. I put a piece of electrical tape in there so the bolt will stay, so I don't lose it in the door again. Whew, man, that first one's the hardest one. Well, it seems like they're gonna line up. Let's see if I can adjust the window to. There we go. That feels like it grabbed a tooth. It looks good, looks good. I think we're gonna be all right here. I'm gonna need to get an extension though, and a wrench. So grab a little box end 5/16. Got that sucker in there. I don't want to go too tight because I'm just going to rip those plastic threads out. And I got my little extension. I already got this one in there. It's tight. That's tight. So plug it back in. Oh, don't go through the speaker hole. Plug it back in. And I'm going to turn the key on and see if it goes up and down like it's supposed to. Here we go. Here we go. I wonder why it chatters like that. Maybe I need more grease on this sucker. I wonder why it chatters like that. Maybe I need more grease on this sucker. And I'm gonna put some grease on these teeth, and I'm gonna put some grease in right here, just to, you know.